Hey, let me quickly explain what kind of the charger you can use with your Realme 12 5G. So, when you grab the box of the smartphone and take a look on the back, we can find information that we can use charger from 2.5 watts up to 45 watts. The USB charger. So in my case, I mean it actually means that we can use the charger with maximum speed 45 watts, and I'm using the two chargers. The old Huawei charger from the Huawei P30 Pro with the quick charge technology, and it works really good with my device. And also this second charger with the Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. So basically what I want to say that you can almost use every charger, every charging brick, and all you have to do is just to simply input this cable right here straight into the USB-C port, then this end of the cable to your phone, and you will be able to charge this smartphone. But just remember to don't buy chargers above 45 watts because you will actually waste your money, because right here we can find the 45 watts maximum charging speed. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.